able to analyze your lab results. It's able to give you the outcome. It's able to give you a treatment plan. The explainable AI, it does is it gives you the entire procedure step by step. It gives you the data points, what it analyzed, what was the reason it was able to give you that specific anomaly, or create kind of raise a red flag into that specific city. As I mentioned about the initial one, like I go for a chest x-ray, the AI is able to identify pinpoint, like there might be some dots here and there. We think like probably it's just a smudge on my X-ray report. But the AI, because it's been fed with diverse and enormous data sets, the explainable AI aspect comes into the picture, and it gives you the pointers, specific pointers, saying this particular dot which you see on your X-ray report, it is because of this particular concern which is related to this particular genetic makeup which you had because of the specific family history. So